School was very challenging for me. I had a rough time, countless nights with my parents at night, not so happy finishing some homework. And I feel like RioTech has just made school so much easier. Like I've had more of an experience of school that I've actually liked than just being like, can't wait to graduate. It was never like about leaving Cleveland. It was more of just like another opportunity I got. We actually had a class called Welding math and metallurgy, which is like a chemistry for welding. I'm more hands-on. It helps a lot for me to have just that hands-on experience and see things and make my brain work in other ways.
I was interested in welding because I knew that school wasn't really working for me, that traditional high school and middle school weren't really my thing. I have my high school diploma and my associate's degree in the sciences of welding. It gives us a big head start being already that far into our schooling and being young. It helps you out a lot. It makes you more employable. They have us do paid internships as part of the program. You have connections to the outside and they try their hardest to set you up with a job at least. They're giving us so many opportunities. There's so much you could do with this that I was like, there's no way I can pass it up.